Think Pink production, sponsored by Rocket Socks. Today I will be teaching you about knives. Knives are very sharp. They have a blade that can cut through most anything. Very thin, as you can tell. Knives have a grip piece right here, and they can be very harmful to mankind. These are scissor knives. They're like scissors, but they're also knives. They can separate into knives. I'm not allowed to show you this though. This is a skewer. You sharpen your knives on it. I will demonstrate how. This is your skewer. This is your knife. Simply put it on. No. You just brush it against. This is another lame thing called butter. Cinco.